How to fix Instagram white screen problem easily. Hello guys. So to fix the white screen problem, there is many ways to fix it, but on this video I'm going to show you two ways. The first way is you have to open settings and go to the wireless and networks, then enable the airplane mode and disable it again, and then go to the Wi-Fi, enable it and disable it and enable it again, and then restart your phone and reopen Instagram. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the settings again, go to the apps manager, go to apps and wait a few seconds. It will give you all the apps that you have on your phone on this page. Scroll down until you find Instagram, click on it and click here on force stop, and then go to the storage and click on clear data. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope this video was helpful. See you later.